Hi friends, and welcome to the third day of introductions for Mama Elephant's November 2025 release. Today we are introducing Girl Group and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing the on-stage creative cuts. Let's take a look at the stamped images first. There are 8 different persons included in this set, and with them you can create any band you like. And of course, these coordinate perfectly with yesterday's boy band stamp set. I will be making a K-pop Demon Hunters card, and I already colored Rumi and Zoe. In this video, I will be coloring Mira. And you can find the Copic color numbers in the description below. And that finishes the coloring for today's video. Next, let's take a look at the on-stage creative cuts. This set includes all the different dies you'll need to build a stage, and you can use them in various ways. The large rectangle builds the stage. Then we have a rig that you can use in front or at the top of the stage. We have two different rows of concert goers that are looking towards the stage. There's this piece to create a curtain, and we have some music notes. With this smaller rectangle and the two round shapes, you can create a music speaker. Now let's use this wonderful die set to create a card. I'm starting with a standard sized white card base, and I'm layering a piece of pattern paper over top. I cut my concert goers from black cardstock as well as the stage from yellow cardstock, and I used some very light ink blending to give them some interest. No particular colors, I just used what was still on my different color brushes. I'm intending to put a golden frame, pun intended, all around my card, so it doesn't really matter that the sides aren't the neatest. I glued the holders and the rays of light together off screen. The rays of light are made with some vellum paper. Again, because I'm framing my card with the golden frame, it doesn't really matter that we have these blobs of glue at the bottom. Before putting down my frame, I'm gluing in the curtains. And you can use these any way you like. I chose to put them on top, but you can also have them in a different order on your card, so you don't see so much of the curtains. For this card, I wanted to create a certain tiger that is included in the film. His name is Derpy, and he is absolutely adorable. I created Derpy from the Zodiac Dragon set by Mama Elephant because I don't think there are many tiger images included in their sets, and this is what I had at hand. I stamped the image, I snipped off the horns and drew in these large eyes. Next, we can adhere the frame to our card with our sweet tiger inside. I used some foam tape on the back of my frame. Now it's time to add the rest of our images, and I'm popping everything up with some foam tape. And of course I gave Derpy his signature plant, and I stamped this from the Patisserie stamp set. To finish my card, I'm adding a sentiment from a set I will officially be introducing tomorrow, but since it's a sentiment set, it goes perfectly well with this card. And I'm calling this card done. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you tomorrow for the 4th day of introductions. This release is available from the 15th of November.